Creating value adds something to the world, to society, to a life. Value is complex, multifaceted, contextual. Creating value is an essential part of an entrepreneurial mindset. This conference has gathered leaders showcasing how value creation can be part of an engineering education. This conference is just a starting point, an introduction. Have some of your ideas about value been confirmed, expanded, challenged? You can positively impact your classrooms, your institutions, and your students. You are value creators. Together, we can focus on creating extraordinary value through our teaching, through our research, and through our service. Together, we can emphasize value.